Hi guys, what's up? Today I wanted to show you my current Pyxis rig. It's not finalized yet, but I think it's quite simple and quite useful right now. Maybe it's some kind of inspiration for someone out there just purchasing the Pyxis. So let's dive in. So starting at the bottom of the camera, you can see down there I just used the Tilda Universal Baseplate. It's quite cool because it's not that thick. I have to say I don't like that huge base plates that are 5 or 6 or 7 centimeters in height. I don't like them. So it's easy to attach some kind of 15 millimeter rod system. In the back we have the NITSI V-mount adapter. I think it's quite cool, quite versatile. We have some D-tabs, some USB-C ports, and I also like it in this case because you can mount it quite near to the back of the Pyxis and it doesn't stick out that much. So it's very compact and chunky and it's not that way back. But if you like to, you could also adjust it with these two screws. Then you can get access to the SDI ports or something, but right now it would be able to detach and attach them while it's mounted like this. I'm not 100% sure what I do with the power solution, because right now my cable is going like this around to the V-mount, and then I just hiding it right now here in the dark hole of my Pyxis. Right now I'm not running the Pyxis with a Sony battery, so also I need to be careful that it doesn't run out of power. Otherwise we have the good old SDI problem. And don't fry your SDI ports. That's important. Yeah. Other thing is, on the top plate I have right now the 8-sin top plate mounted. It's, as I said in my last video, it's quite okay, but I'm missing some possibilities to mount stuff in the front. It only has the NATO rail at the top of the top plate. So maybe I'm gonna replace this. Moving on with the monitor, right now I use my Portkeys BM7 II. I like it. It's quite bright, I have to say. I used a lot of Atomos, Shinobi and Shogun before, but I switched to Portkeys, and right now I have to say it does the job right, and it works. Only thing I have to say, I don't like the menus of Portkeys that much. They are a little bit user unfriendly, but in general it's a very useful monitor. Yeah. It's mounted to the Condor Blue Talon top handle. You can see I got quite big hands. And at first I thought, will it fit, because it's not that big, but I have to say I used the NITSI top handle before and it was huge and quite heavy. I guess it would stick out like this. So I have to say it's quite sleek and it's not that big. And yeah, I also like with Condor Blue stuff that they always got a watermark here that you can see if everything is level or not. That's quite handy. Yeah, moving on to the side, I used the mid-49 side plate. It's quite useful. We got the RE row set, but I have to say I don't use it. We got here also some possibilities to mount some other stuff, but I have to say I'm not seeing myself using them. The only thing I attached is this small rig NATO rail, and it's mounted. And then I mounted the DJI Focus Pro, and yeah, I have to say it's quite nice. The grip is good, it's not that far away. Moving to the front, you can see already the LiDAR system from DJI, mounted just on a NITSI NATO rail, where you can stick in the 50 millimeter rod. And at first I tried to do it with 2 NATO rails, like left and right from the camera, but then I found out that it's also possible to do it only with 1. And there is the DJI Focus motor mounted. So yeah, it's quite simple. It's not that big, and I have to say I'm not seeing myself in increasing it that much. for instance, that I need side rails or something. Right now it's everything I need and it works fine. For gimbal work, I would say I wouldn't run on VV mount, of course. I would use the Sony batteries. On top of the camera, I mounted the Condor Blue cable management. I like them a lot. It looks clean, it looks sleek, and as they are called, they bring management to this whole cable mess. I have to say I don't like it that much. Need to figure out a solution that these two cables don't laying around that much. But yeah, for now it's working that way. So this was my small tour for my current rig of the Blackmagic Pyxis. I have to say I like it. It was quite fun to build it, and I have to say all the parts I used, except the top plate and the side plate, I had already laying around, so it was quite easy to build it. But yeah, I have to say I will use it sometime, and then I will check if I need some third-party accessories from Tilta or from maybe Condor Blue, like the full cage. But right now I have to say I like it, that it's compact. I like it that it's not that bulky. So in general, yeah. So see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.